The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
This is the man here, right? So, hey boy, you're talking about a bunch of shit, but oh, you man daddy, this is that. You do nonsense. A bunch of lies about how we make a man, what? You make a man want to drink the rum because you want money, what bunch of nonsense. Look at man here, that. That's what's going on.
Hey here, So Jones, man. Everything good?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, some time ago, I saw two videos that are circulating on social media, and according to some things that I did said on social media about those two videos that I saw, it is said that a man had been hospitalized after drinking a bottle of alcohol. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly what type of alcohol the person drank, you see me, or what brand alcohol the person drank. However, it is said that the person had been hospitalized after drinking a bottle of alcohol. You understand me? Now, I saw this video on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows the same person who had been hospitalized after drinking the bottle of alcohol, right? And according to some more things that have been said on social media about that video that I just presented to you, it is said that the person is alive. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only telling you according to some things that have been said on social media about that video that I just presented to you, right? I'm also telling you according to some things that I heard in the video that I just presented to you as well. You see what I'm saying to you? You see? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where the incident happened, where it is said that the person drank a bottle of alcohol and was hospitalized, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when that incident happened. But however, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have any understanding as to where or when the incident happened, you can let me know by leaving a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. You see what I'm saying to you? And for those who might not know what video I'm talking about, where it is said that a person drank a whole bottle of alcohol, here's a screenshot of the video that is circulating on social media, where it is said that a person drank a whole bottle of alcohol. You understand me? Alright, so I'm going to leave that right there, viewers and subscribers, and I want to say this to each and everyone, that they should be careful of drinking alcohol, right? Too much alcohol can be dangerous. Even the smallest amount of drinking of alcohol can be dangerous for your health, alright? So drink responsibly, and I'm talking to adults, not children. Children should not drink alcohol, none at all. You understand? Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows when a man humiliated his girlfriend in front of a man who she was having lunch with. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information if the man and the woman are still in a relationship or if they are not together. Nor do I have any confirmed information as to where or when this video has been recorded. But however, the video is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media, it is said that the video shows when a man humiliated his girlfriend in front of a man who she was having lunch with. Alright? Now let me know what you think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hello. What's that? What's that? Me, I go with you. Wow. Stop doing that. I'm not for security. Guy, I'm fine. The guy will get you. Guy, you talk too hard. Guy, the guy will get you. She won't come here now. She don't want to. Stop recording.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say some things. You see me, but you see, when I say these things, I know that some persons are going to say, hey, Dancehall, skilla, a liar, tell a one of you, but me I tell you how me stay. You see, if me find myself in a situation where I'm passing a place or I pass a restaurant and I see my girlfriend or my wife having a lunch date with another man, I would probably be like, hi, how you doing? And then me gone about my business. Look what me good, yo. You know see my face? Huh? I don't have no time for a fight and a war and a fuss myself when it comes on to a broken relationship. You see me? In my point of view, a person should love you as much as how you love that person. And if that person don't love you as much as how you love that person, then with the sense of humiliating yourself and trying to embarrass the person and so forth. You see me? I'm only telling you what I would do still, you know. You see me? But you can let me know what you think about a situation like that. You understand me? And you know, I'm not trying to disrespect anyone and I'm not trying to bash anyone, but I'm just telling you how me stay or what I would do. Alright, in my point of view, that is an embarrassing situation. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video and I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. In this video, you're going to hear someone talking in the background of this video. And according to some things that this person said, I got the understanding that this person complained about how taxi drivers are being treated somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. See? This person also said some things that gave me the understanding that this person complained about taxi drivers using a portable toilet. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some of the things that this person said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person said. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is what's happening now at the Grand Hyatt, the $100 and something million resort. Send this viral. At the Grand Hyatt, they have the taxi drivers in the bush, right? And we gotta use outside toilet. Man and woman using one outside bathroom. $1 million resort. They're building $1 million put the thing in the back there named the pool or water park in the $1.5 million. And you see what they got us using? Outside toilet. I want you all, ladies and gentlemen, to please send this viral. We have been to the unions, we have been to all the people who are concerned. And look at this. My lord, it is a disgrace. Okay? They take 1 week before they get the chair to bathroom, the thing full of with nanny and these doing and feces. And when we complain to the proper authorities and we complain to the people on top of the hotel door about the Hotel Encouragement Act and taxi drivers having rights to use the bathroom, they call the security first to lock us up. Please, Bahama taxi stand drivers, okay, are being treated like hogs, like slaves. We're back in slavery day. Send this viral to anywhere you could send it. Facebook, MySpace, Twitter. I don't care, you name it. You just send them and let's your own black people. Your own black people who complaining to you. Because one day for me, tomorrow for you.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.